Hello friends, my name is Rudin VS, you are watching me on TechMerize YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how much storage we really need in our smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Nowadays, phones are coming with up to 512 GB of internal storage. And there is one phone that is coming with 1 TB of internal storage. That is crazy because laptop does not have that much storage nowadays. So the question is, do we really need that much storage in our smartphone? The simple answer is, it all depends upon your usage. So if the answer was so simple, you'll not be listening to this video, right? So the thing we are going to do in today's videos will be calculating. We'll be giving a rough idea on how much storage do we really need in our smartphone if you are a heavy user. So we'll be calculating that step by step. So watch till the end of this video to understand it completely. So let's start calculating. In a phone, the major part is the operating system. In some phones, it is taking only 5 GB. In some phones, it is taking up to 15 GB, depending upon how well the operating system is tuned for your phone. So let's consider 15 GB and move on to what is the next part in our storage. The next is applications in your phone. So let's assume if you are installing an application, the largest one will be mainly games. So if you are installing 4 or 5 games, one game each will take around 1 or 2 GB. So if you install 4 or 5 games, it will be taking around 10 GB of your storage. Then there is other social media apps like Facebook and Instagram, etc., where when you see a video or photo, it actually stores that content as app data in your phone. So considering that, let's say you have 3 applications and on an average it takes up to 1 GB. So it's 3 GB overall. Then there is a main culprit, WhatsApp. So when you save a video from WhatsApp, it actually saves in gallery. So the photos and videos you're saving from WhatsApp is coming as a separate entity, not as part of app data. So this, on an average, if you are a heavy WhatsApp user, which you are in India, it comes around to 5 to 10 GB. So let's consider 10 GB as a maximum upper limit and add that into our storage. So if you add all that up, right now it is coming around 38 GB. Nowadays, people are not downloading music tracks like we used to do in earlier days. Now they listen to music directly from online platforms like Spotify or Amazon Music, YouTube Music, etc. So even though if you download some of the music, it will aggregate up to 1 GB in your storage. So if you consider other miscellaneous download, let's say 1 GB, it is adding overall up to 40 GB right now. The next major category in our storage is videos and photos you are shooting from your camera itself. Nowadays, phones are coming with 64 megapixel and 48 megapixel cameras. We actually don't shoot at 48 or 64 megapixel. They are actually downsizing it to 12 megapixel or 16 megapixel. So consider photos from a 12 or 16 megapixel camera, it will be coming around to 5 to 8 megabyte. So if you have around 1000 photos in your phone, it will be adding up to around 7 GB. The next is video. If you take a video at 1080p at 30 frames per second, that is the standard resolution and frame rate, it will be amounting to 150 MB for a 1 minute of video. So if you have 1 hour of video with all the video clips you have, it will be accumulating to around 9 GB of data. So when we add up overall, right now our storage utilization is 56 GB. Nowadays, phones are coming with 64 GB as base variant, and I think that's going to be enough for a heavy user, heavy to normal user. So if you are shooting a lot of 4K videos or you are installing a lot of applications that will eat up your storage, I would prefer you to go for with 128 GB of storage. And there is other option also. There is dedicated expandable storage in some phones. So if that is the case, you can easily go for 64 GB with that dedicated slot present. If you're going above that 128 GB and you are going for a 256 or 512 GB, right now I would say it is not required unless you have a specific need for it, like you are shooting a lot of videos in your phone. So that's it friends. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon so you will get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Goodbye. See you on the next video.